My name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. We represent a lot of people who've been bitten by dogs. We've been doing it for a long time, and we do it very well. So today, I want to share something with you. Whether or not you should sue the owner of the dog if you get bitten. Well, I want to tell you something. First of all, in terms of who you sue, you don't have any options. The only person who's technically liable for the dog, generally speaking, is going to be the owner. Now, there may be some exceptions as it relates to who has control of the dog and all that, but suffice it to say, for the purposes of this video, the one you got to sue is the owner. In other words, you're not suing an insurance company. So the way it works is if your neighbor's dog, for example, the neighbor who you've gotten along with for many, many years, the neighbor who you actually like, the neighbor who comes and eats your food at your barbecues, if their dog bites your kid, that lawsuit is going to be you as the plaintiff, as the next friend of the child, if the child's a minor, versus that neighbor, and he's going to be named John Smith. That's the guy. So don't think, well, I'll just sue his insurance company. You've got to realize you're going to be suing them. There may be implications. You may not see a lot of dinner invitations coming forth your direction once you do that, but you got to know that's who you sue. The reason why it works out that way is because insurance companies have a contract with people who own the dogs who they insure. It's part of the homeowners insurance. And basically it says, if you should be sued because your dog bites someone, we, the insurance company, be it State Farm or AAA or Progressive, we will defend, we will indemnify you from any liability arising out of that dog bite. So therefore, you've got, if you're going to file that action, if that's going to be in your future, you got to realize you're going to be suing them. They will be defended by their insurance company. And while it is true that they might be offended that you sue them, I mean, where's the accountability? They want to be offended that you sue them. How about you be offended that they let their dog loose and attack you or your kid? So I think in terms of worrying about who's going to be offended, I don't think that should be your primary concern. Your primary concern should be protecting the legal rights that you have in that situation, because that protects not only the victim from permanent disfigurement, it also pays for your medical bills arising out of this. It might also pay for wage loss if you can't go to work because of this. Those are some real important things. And while your neighbor will say, well, how could you sue me? I'm so offended. I don't see them writing you a check for all those things. I don't believe they're going to be doing that either. So in light of all that, it makes most sense. Hire a lawyer, get an expert. We'll end up filing a lawsuit against them. It'll be defended by the insurance company, and it'll all work out.